And now we're going to go over refried bean dip. You're going to take a can of refried beans. You just want to scoop it into a frying pan and turn that on to medium. This is already cooked beans, so you just want to heat them up with the vegetables we're going to add to them. So you just want to scoop all that out. Now at this point, you're going to add 1 small pack of taco seasoning. You just want to mix that all in there. Make sure you don't have any big chunks left. It's always a bad thing when you're eating a dip or something, and next thing you know, you get a big pocket of uncooked seasoning. At this point, we're going to add some finely chopped onions. Let that all cook in there. Add some green peppers as well. When you're cooking Mexican food, onions, green peppers always go well. You're going to add some red jalapenos. Give it some heat. Just going to stir that up. Let it all cook together. Maybe we're going to put it on medium low, so nothing starts to burn. Just give that a nice mix, and there you go. Refried bean dip.